Nature is the art of God. Nature creates nothing in vain. Imagine a river springing up from a glacier, flowing in small streams, finding its way through the midst of rocks in the hills. Then comes a point when small streams confluence and forms a river, a large body of water to cool and cleanse the plains. And finally, this river empties itself into the sea. Nature paved its path through the river with utmost perfection. This is nature's sustainable drainage system. Inspired by nature, we create products to fulfill the necessities of water transportation and drainage systems. Over the years, our journey in pursuit of perfection and our uncompromising commitment to quality has made us the mark of excellence. Since 1982, our endeavor to amass quality with efficiency has led us to strive towards improving our products in coherence with changing trends in emerging plastic industry. Creating and sustaining a culture of excellence is what it means to be on the invariable journey of delivering the goods for the construction and agricultural sector of India.
हम जमीन से जुड़ना चाहते थे, जमीन मतलब एग्रीकल्चर के साथ, और एग्रीकल्चर का जो प्रतीक है किसान है.
Our honorable late Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri had come out with slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
We have over 1,500 products that caters to the construction and agriculture needs of India. This comprehensive collection of products made us synonymous with the Indian agricultural sector. While in the process of consolidating our presence in the agricultural sector, we realized the tremendous potential in the construction industry and decided to be a part of this growth story.
Besides agriculture, Kisan is also focusing in the construction segment, primarily on drainage and on potable water supply based pipelines.
We quickly realized the different challenges thrown by this sector and centered in our deep-rooted philosophy of quality and customer service, set forth in creating a diverse product portfolio to have a product to suit every need of our quality-conscious corporate customer. Kisan Moldings Limited is a public limited company promoted by the Agarwal family in Mumbai and has always set highest standards in the terms of product quality, customer proximity, delivery reliability, and excellent services.
Kisan family have been serving this country with all the agriculture products where we can serve the farmer and save each and every drop of water.
Kisan Moldings Limited blends best of everything: highly skilled employees, premium raw materials, and latest technology to deliver products with excellent workability.
If you need anything regarding construction in plastics, from a 20 mm coupler to about 400 mm pipes, we manufacture everything.
We have state-of-the-art production facilities.
Tarapur in Gujarat, in Silvassa, Roha. North India, we have factory at Nalagarh. We have factory in Rajasthan. We have factory in MP, Chhattisgarh. And in southern region, we have factory in Tumkur plant. So logistically, we are very well placed to serve our network all over India.
Our main business operations are piping solutions for construction and agricultural sectors, plastic molded furniture, and other articles. The immense potential of Indian plastic industry has motivated us to acquire technical expertise, achieve superior quality standards, and build capacities in different facets of the booming plastic industry. Our goal was heartfelt. We wished to deliver a long-lasting plumbing system which would not require almost any plumbing repairs whatsoever. Kisan Moldings Limited now offers a one-stop piping solution catering to all your needs. Our list of piping systems is exhaustive in range and models. We have CPVC pipes and fittings, ASTM pipes and fittings, composite piping systems, SWR pipes and fittings, electrical conduit pipes and fittings, underground drainage pipes, Kisan Barish rainwater systems, micro irrigation systems, rigid UPVC pipes and fittings, HDPE pipes, submersible pipes, casing pipes, PLB duct pipes, and suction delivery hoses and garden tubing. We are a trusted name because of our long-lasting quality and wide range. Our name stands for tried and tested technology with intelligent and detailed solutions. Considering various domestic, industrial, agricultural, construction, and commercial needs, all our products are manufactured under strict quality control norms and comply with international standards, making them long-lasting and value for your hard-earned money. Our state-of-the-art production facilities are ISO 9001-2008 certified, and our products are BIS approved. The latest addition to our ever-increasing bouquet of products is CPVC plumbing system. Pipes are manufactured as per ASTM specifications and are BIS approved. Adhering to the strict quality principles of Kisan Moldings Limited, we use CPVC resin from Kaneka Corporation, Japan, which ranks as one of the best raw materials for CPVC. For the easy installation of our various pipes and fittings and to ensure leak-proof joints, we also manufacture Kisan rubber lubricants and Kisan solvent cement, which are renowned for their quality. Every single product coming out of any Kisan Moldings Limited establishment is inspired by you and designed for you. Strategically spread throughout the length and breadth of India, Kisan Moldings Limited is serving its customers promptly and efficiently. Our products are an outcome of stringent manufacturing process involving environment-friendly measures. The constant positive response of our supply chain, satisfied clients and business partners finally made us think that it's time to go public, and KML came out with an IPO in the year 1995 and are listed in Mumbai Stock Exchange. The company has witnessed an average growth of 20% per annum every year after its inception and clocked a superlative 1,900% growth for the period of 1998 to 2009. The current annual turnover of Kisan Moldings Limited is today poised to cross 1,000 crores. With a workforce of over 1,000 employees, 1,500 distributors, 5,000 dealers, and 12 regional offices. With many turnkey projects, we have entered in various new segments and partnered with our clients and other companies to manufacture tailor-made products based on various requirements. Some of our conspicuous clients are
आज हम बड़े प्राउड से कह सकते हैं कि हमारा छोटे से लेके बड़े से बड़ा आज हमारा जो है क्लाइंट्स हैं।
We started as a product manufacturer. Now, we have become your solution partner. For the coming decade, we have major expansion plans in international arena. Hence, keeping this in mind, we plan to set up our manufacturing and marketing network overseas to cater to the growing demand of our overseas customers and attain a high level of efficiency in production and marketing. As a responsible corporate citizen, Kisan came up with two products: rainwater harvesting system under the brand name Barish and Micro Irrigation Systems.
महाराष्ट्र से शुरू होके आज हिंदुस्तान के अंदर मैक्सिमम जो है हमारा ही प्रोडक्ट जा रहा है। आप जहाँ भी जाएंगे आपको किसान ड्रिप इरिगेशन प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा।
We also left our footprint in the form of infrastructure. Our headquarters is in Mumbai. Kisan Moldings Limited is one of the largest producer of plastic and polymer pipes in India.
इस समय हमारा पीवीसी का जो फिटिंग का प्लांट है जो पूरे इंडिया के अंदर हमारा सबसे बड़ा प्लांट चल रहा है।
Today, Kisan has a base which can be expanded into n number of products which we are currently planning.
So if you talk about plastics, from pin to aeroplane, we are your framework.
We believe that every new beginning brings the promise of a lasting future. We are committed to design the products for tomorrow.
हिंदुस्तान के अंदर नंबर 1 यूनिट के अंदर आ चुके हुए हैं। मैं सबका शुक्रगुजार करता हूँ कि हम इतनी बड़ी जगह पे पहुँच गए और हमारी पहचान बनी।
Long live India, long live Kisan.
Dear patrons, we at Kisan Moldings Limited welcome you.
Kisan, the mark of excellence.